YouTube. It is Monday, October 12th. It is 10 degrees Celsius in Staveley, Pine Coulee, and I'm going out to test my camera rig. Which also means that I'm going out to test the X2, which also means I'll be testing my wetsuit again because the water's going to be cold. My Neosport wetsuit does have a rip in it, so I will be returning it, but I'm going to wear it today so that I don't freeze to death. I'm also going to try wearing my goggles. Try not to spend a whole lot of time with my head under the water. The main goal today is to go out and get some shots with the new camera mount and also check to see if the X2 is going to work properly. Well, hello there YouTube. I am on my way to Pine Coulee. Hopefully I got the worst of my day out of the way because I went out to my truck and it had a screw in the tire, so I had a flat that I had to repair before I went jet skiing. I'm on my way there now and I have a few goals for today. I'm hoping to test out the camera mount that I made for my helmet, which you guys may have seen in a previous video. Hopefully that works out and I get some decent footage. It would also be really nice if the X2 worked good for a whole day, because the time before last I had it out, I blew an exhaust coupler. And then the last time I was out, last Friday, I wrecked a starter motor, and so I haven't been able to use my X2 for, it's been a while. I think the last good ride on it I had was when I replaced the carburetor that I got from Sal. Worked good for a short while, and then yeah, the exhaust coupler broke. I'm on my way there. I will see you guys when I get there, and hopefully we have a good day today. Alright YouTube, you are the Hero 9. I have a feeling that my hands are going to be quite chilly, but once I get some blood flowing, maybe that will change. I'm going to head down that way towards the day campsite and make sure the jet ski is working okay. Or check to see if it is, I guess. Oh wow. So my hands are absolutely freezing. My face is really cold, but the rest of my body is actually quite warm. I didn't mention this earlier, but I did put some holes in the toes of my booties to let the water run out. So they're not holding too much water now. Anyway, I'm going to get a pair of gloves and try to drill out the holes in the end of my grips a little bit bigger so that I can get more water flow coming out, hopefully. Because my hands are freezing, I can't keep riding. As you guys can see, I do have a little bit of control over where the cameras go. Basically, the Hero 9 wants to stay more in front. It's heavier. So if I tip my head forward, the 7 will go to the back. And the 9 comes to the front. If I tip my head up, the 7 comes to the front and the 9 goes to the back. October 16th. A beautiful snowy day. October 16th and it's snowing, which means it's snowing on my birthday. Hooray! Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. I thought it was pretty cool. I wanted to say a few things about it, just so that it avoids a little bit of confusion. I didn't want to add this to the first of the video because I didn't want to make the first of it too long and have everybody click off. Only dedicated people will be around at the end to actually see this. So I was shooting with the Hero 7 and the Hero 9, and most of the time the Hero 7 was trailing from behind, but sometimes it does spin around a little bit. Got mud on my jet ski. Anyway, I guess that's what happens when you go riding in the snow. I mean, it's probably fairly obvious that the camera microphones don't pick up my voice very well when they're on the end of these poles. So that does influence the way that I shoot my videos. I haven't been doing a lot of talking to the cameras. Anyway, you're going to want to stick around because in upcoming videos, I take a trip down to the Canadian International Jet Ski Brothers time trial track and do some runs in there. I also run into a bit of a weather situation, which if you follow me on Instagram, which is Project Me, yeah, you will have seen a clip from that. Anyway, that's going to do it for this one. I've blabbered on for too long. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Alright people, my initial test was successful. I now have this little water injection set up here. I'm going to try heading down to the buoy course. And yeah, hopefully that works out for me.